to my channel. So today we're going to be making some Haitian baked mac and cheese. Before we do that, please like, subscribe, also hit the bell so you'll be the first one to know when I post a video. For this baked mac and cheese, we're going to need these ingredients that you see before you. For mine, I use some ziti, some carnation milk, some heavy cream, also ground beef, as well as some cheese. I use 3 different cheeses for mine, so you can pick any cheese that you know you like. So let's get started. To begin, we're gonna start chopping up our onions and also our peppers. So me, I'm using green and red peppers. Those are the ones that I had in the fridge. You can use yellow, orange, any colors you want. But I had those in the fridge, so I decided to just chop them up and just toss them all in there, girls. All right. So while we're doing that, we're going to start seasoning our ground beef. I'm using Creole seasoning, some paprika, some onion powder, also some épices that I made at home. So we're going to use those in there. In the pan, we have some olive oil, some tomato paste, also a ground beef that we seasoned earlier. We're also going to be adding some of the onions and peppers that we chopped up. The rest is left for our bechamel sauce. And also, as you can see behind I have a pot that's boiling water. That's going to be for our pasta that we're going to be boiling. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to be adding a pasta. Et voila! There we go. While our meat is cooking up front, pasta is boiling. Let's start on the bechamel sauce. We have butter. Also, we're going to be adding some flour to start a little roux. Just thicken it up a little bit. Add some carnation milk. We're going to be stirring and stirring and stirring. Our cheese that we chopped earlier, we have Gouda cheese, some cheddar, as well as some Velveeta. So when these stirring, I'm going to be switching from whisk to spatula. You know how that goes. One thing, guys, is to cook it on medium low so it doesn't get your stove dirty. Also, your sauce doesn't taste like burnt sauce. Nobody likes burnt sauce. So the seasoning we adding here is some paprika, some Creole seasoning, also some Maggi bouillon, just to give it a little more flavor. Creamy. Also, we're going to be adding the rest of our onions, peppers that we actually chopped earlier. I wish you guys could taste this. Please try it, the recipe, and let me know what it tastes like. So we're going to be adding some sauce in the macaroni that we cooked earlier. Also, we're going to be adding our ground beef. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks delicious. It tastes delicious. Don't forget to butter your pan before you add the macaroni in there. Otherwise, it's going to be sticking to it. It's going to taste horrible. Trust me, I've been there and I've done that. Rookie mistake. Do not do that. While we adding our creamy macaroni, which I'm excited. I can't wait to try. I'm so impatient, guys. So the rest of the cheese that we have left over, we're going to be topping it off with that. That's the Gouda, also the cheddar. We did not put the Velveeta on top because I don't think it's necessary. Oh gosh, look at this beauty here. It looks so beautiful. Oh. We're going to be adding it, put it in the oven for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, look at the bubbles. Oh. Lordy. Mwah. Oh, I did that. Ooh, I did that. I gotta taste this guy. I got to taste. Look at the creaminess in the spatula. Look at the creaminess. Ugh. Is that even a spatula? Oh, well. Ooh. Look at that. And voila. This is the final recipe, guys.